but you don't stop in expressing yourself. Don't fit into that room. So it is then when I decided that every moment in life I do will. So introducing myself, telling about my journey will start right back from when I decided to become a lawyer. So I belong from a Rajasthani, proper Marwari family, wherein I decided that I'll take up law, and I decided to take a break of 1 year immediately after 12. I could crack my entrance for Symbiosis Law University in Pune. But coming from Jodhpur to Pune was the biggest hustle, which is the first battle I had to cross. Starting from there, my parents were like, "Ladki ko kyun jana hai?" Why? At the end of the day, my grandfather and everybody was like, at the end of the day, तो आपको शादी करनी है ना. So that is something which made my mind say that why a girl only has to do all these things? Why my grandfather has to come to my mother and say that you lost 3 sons, and now what do you expect out of your girls to do? It is that moment when I decided that I will make a point where my parents can come up and say that we have a daughter who is not less than a son, who is equal to a son, and we never felt that we lost a son and we missed something in my life. My father decided that he will make me what I want to be. I did a good education and I got a very good PPO. कि अब कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. Again, everybody was after my life that now it's time for her to get married. I used to give coachings of CS. I mean, that knowledge which I've already taken to die. Because when you say that if you take a break, you take a break from the knowledge. You don't upgrade yourself. But that was the first day when I had a conversation with our senior officials of Shubham, who said that if you know all these things, this is the place wherein you can put your efforts, put your knowledge and bring up the best in Shubham. Again, a big health stroke up and I had to go for a surgery. This time doctor again asked me to take a break and I was again scared. I was at the peak of my career when I actually could do something more or maybe much more. I mean, I had dreamt of, I had ideas, I had to implement those things, but my body was reluctant. It is then I remember after almost 3 or 4 hours of a surgery, I came back next day morning 9 or 10 o'clock at home and I started working at 12 for Shubham. And why should I sit back and just wait for me to stand and then walk and do it? And I think that gave me that support that I could work more than I could have actually done it even if I was not pregnant. Above all this thing, when we were just deciding kaise kya kare, my daughter was examined with a chronic asthmatic. And I mean, that was the difficult time when she in my lap coughing, vomiting, and we had to close it. But I think 60 to 70% of the things are resolved only because I was there with her at that point of time. I think earlier I used to think, why so many breaks in my life? I feel these restarts only helped me to come here. Every restart which pulled me back pushed me 100 times ahead. Every restart gave me more confidence, asked me to work more, asked me to put more efforts and take it ahead. Obviously, struggle, I don't say that struggle ends. I have reached somewhere and now my struggle ends here. If struggle ends, you will stop living. So to live is to struggle, to earn and stay happy. I just have one thing which I always say to my daughter is that never say no. Always say कि हम कर दिखाएंगे. We have to do it and I will do it. And this is the message I will give around to all women. Stop having self-doubt in you. Don't worry, don't hesitate in expressing yourself. Accept करे या ना करे. आप express करोगे तो भी लोग accept करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे, is their choice. But you don't stop in expressing yourself. Don't fit into that room. Make your voice audible in the room. Don't get adjusted to the audience. Stand up, pat yourself, what you've done across, and decide what you have to do it.